about junior high, I started with weight loss shakes, and then high school it was exercise a lot and eat a little bit. And in college it became Weight Watchers and running and more Weight Watchers. And all those seemed to work a little bit, but they didn't really make me satisfied with myself. And honestly, I just keep searching, and Kelsey, and she has helped support me, and the ladies in the group support me, and my family supports me, and they can eat all the foods, and I don't have to go buy special things. So I'm really encouraged, and in the last 3 months, I've seen a drastic improvement in myself, in my mood, my ability to handle a lot of issues, challenges throughout the day. The main thing that I have found is that balance and finding the joy in each day, and that is huge. I think in anything, I feel like balance, not going to extremes, not doing one thing all the time and getting tired of it is really the best way to go.